But I'm kind of hoping that the wing has the power to lift her up in the air.
What size electric does that got on it again?
Power 10, and it's supposed to be way underpowered.
Yeah,
we'll find out. If it is, I might have to go up to a power 15.
Yeah, I mean that's what the P47 and stuff's got on it.
You have power 10 or
15 actually. That's a foamy. I don't know how much that one weighs. Like 3 pounds or something. What's this?
15 powerful enough for it?
For that, yeah, you can go pretty much almost vertical. So I mean, for a cub like, and it doesn't have nearly this wing loading. I'm sure this is, you probably got a lot less wing loading on this thing. Cause what's this wingspan? It's got to be
73.
Yeah.
73. It's, like I say, it's a China-built airplane that was all screwed up.
It will probably fly pretty.
On it was like this, tail down.
Yeah.
And I started shifting everything forward and adding weight to it. Now it's slightly nose heavy.
It will probably fly pretty scale though, I imagine.
That's all I want, is if it's slow and lazy, I'll be happy with that. And I'll probably live with it. But
yeah.
if it gets where I need to climb out and it won't climb out, I'll have to go up to a 15, I suppose. I kind of walk it up by steps. And we're going to see if my receiver is going to work or not.
What is that? What kind of receiver is in there?
Tactic piece of crap.
Oh, your Tactic with the...
Yeah, I went and had to go get a new Tactic radio for like 67 bucks. And they're cheap.
Yeah.
But it means I had to rebind every single one of my airplanes.
Oh no.
Kind of a pain depending upon where the receivers are hid.
Oh, there it goes.
Yep, it's got to be bound. Okay, that's no big deal. I think I can see the white dot on it. Should be... Oh, come on, where the hell's that thing hidden?
Yeah, what's that propellers on that?
12 by 6.
Okay.
One of my favorite size props.
Hey, you might have no problem.
I mean, look at that.
Oh, that's about ready to take off right there.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Just getting light.
We got what, out of here?
Yeah, it's been kind of coming this way, but...
All right, we don't, so I'll be taking off here, maybe settling it down in here.
Yeah,
it's cool.
No poles to hit.
Got any type of wind speed whatsoever.
Is she pitched up and...
Yep.
What, tail heavy?
Could be a little tail heavy. All I know is I think this one goes back to the repair shop right away.
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, that's not good. Oh yeah. Crushed her in really good. Oh yeah. Gonna have to peel all this back. Oh yeah, that's not going to be good. That crushed that baby bad.
Yeah.
So what my guess would be, oh yeah, that's not good. That is not good. Okay, so that maiden didn't do good. So what she did was basically kind of tip stalled.
Yeah, we can we can stop this and maybe we can watch it on this footage if I got it good.
Yeah.
Nice landing. Ha ha ha.